Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with Saturday Morning Makes, Silly in September, and hashtag Two Crafters One Design. That's Gloria and I's hashtag. All right, so anyways, I'll have all the hashtags linked down below, as well as UCYIMADIVA. We'll have her channel linked down below as well, because I believe she's joining in with us this week. Anyway, so this week we are showing ice cream. So this is what I'm using here. It came from My Creative Time. She had that out a few years ago. She no longer has it in her store. It's I think it's retired. I'm sure it's retired. So can't get that now. But anyways, let me show you the rest of the items I'm using. I'm using these sugar dots from Prima. I'm using just like the mouths from this Spellbinder set here. Joy's Life stamps, I'm using Sweet Summertime Wishes as well as Best Buddies. My Creative Time again, I'm using stars, and this is the stencil. I'm using from Queen of Craft, these stars. I love these stars. This little small scallop area going around those stars is so pretty, and I love that. And then for My Creative Time, I believe I'm using this set, and I don't know the name of it. I don't have the packaging anymore. But anyways, I'm using this small one, and I want to say this one here. Infinity dies, I'm using the next to the largest one. And My Creative Time tall die layers, I'm using this one as well as that one there. And My Creative Time again, I'm using this XO border frame dies. She recently brought this one back. So if you have the chance, make sure you go over to her channel and pick up some of these dies. The ones that are in stock anyways. And then from, it says CC Designs, but I think this is from Momenta. But I'm using this and this here. And for the inks, I'm using this Distress Oxide Abandoned Coral, Distress Oxide Prize Ribbon. And the ones that I stamped with, this is the Memento Tuxedo Black. And then I'm also using the Nuvo Crystal Drops, and I don't know what color, but as you see, it looks white, and so that's what I used it for. And I'm using this little stick, but let me show you this little card. I thought it turned out so cute. Oh my goodness. As you see, there goes the mouse from that Spellbinder set. Now this is where I use this Nuvo Drop ink and this little stick here. I got that off of Leanne's channel. She designs for Jaded Blossom, but she always puts a little bit of that on the paper, sticks the tip of this in there, and then dots the eyes and let it dry. I love that little tip that she gives, and it worked just beautifully. And then as you see, there goes my stencils, the stencil stars that I'm using, and I added some more of those sugar dots just around. I got odd numbers so that it's pleasing to your eye. And then also there goes that XOXO border die, and that's where I use those tall frame layer dies, and I just cut it to fit on there, and I had that star coming off the page, off the card for that. There goes the inside. And that is all I have for you. Take one more look at that cutie. Those are just cute. All right, so I will have everyone's links down below. Make sure you go over, visit with those hashtags, and I'll also have UCYIMADIVA's channel linked down below. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.